As someone with sensitive skin that can swing between oily and dry, I have tested several moisturizers to find what truly works. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into a topic that many of us can relate to: dry skin. Even though I don't have dry skin all year round, I experience it during travel or when the climate changes. So let's talk about the best moisturizers for your dry skin that you should try if you haven't tried already. First up is a La Roche-Posay Cicaplast Baume B5. This is a multi-purpose soothing cream for a dry, irritated or sensitive skin. It hydrates and protects cracked, chapped areas and even help treat and prevents diaper rash. So yes, it's like a cream for the entire family. It's formulated with panthenol, vitamin B5, shea butter, glycerin, dimethicone, madecasoid, and La Roche-Posay's very own, very famous thermal spring water. We have heard about shea butter and glycerin a lot of times, and they are like the super goodies. Your panthenol helps to soothe and moisturize, dimethicone to seal all the moisture in and protect the skin barrier, madecasoid helps to nourish the skin, and if you check on Google, you will see this particular ingredient also helps to build collagen and elasticity. It's non-greasy, safe for kids, adults, and even babies who are 1 week plus. It's perfect from dry patches to weather-induced irritation. It's a skincare staple for sensitive, dry, prone skin. I often use it after I have shaved my face and use it as the last step in my skincare routine. At first, it may appear greasy and thick, and give it some time and the greasiness subsides, leaving the skin with a beautiful glow. Next up is the Weleda Skin Food Original Ultra Rich Cream. It's a cult favorite for dry, rough skin. The one that I have is the old package. Now it comes in a new package which is made out of 95% recycled aluminium tube. Do you know this fast absorbing ultra nourishing cream has been the best seller since 1926 and holds a 4.5 star rating from over 32,500 reviews. It's that good. Enriched with pansy, chamomile, calendula and oils like sunflower and sweet almond, it hydrates and restores dry patches while doubling as a glow boosting primer, cheekbone highlighter, or you can also use it as a frizz taming cream. Certified natural, cruelty free and free from synthetic preservatives, parabens and phthalates. I find it a bit thick for daytime use, but it's perfect as an overnight treatment. It provides intense hydration and helps soothe any redness or rough patches. Whenever I feel my skin is super dry and my skin needs some extra moisture, I'll go for this. Lastly, let's talk about the Makeup Revolution Pro Miracle Cream. Now this cream is a more affordable option that doesn't compromise on quality. It contains niacinamide, vitamin C and hyaluronic acid, which are great for hydration and improving skin texture. According to the product description, it hydrates the skin from the first use and re-energizes your base for smoother, plumper and younger looking skin. And it's not just this review, but even from my personal experience, I can totally vouch for that. I appreciate that it's lightweight yet hydrating, making it suitable for both day and night use. Plus, it works well under makeup, which is a big plus for me. Before we wrap up, let's touch on what makes a good moisturizer for dry skin. According to the Cleveland Clinic, the best moisturizers for dry skin are fragrance-free and contain a mix of hydrating ingredients including humectants, occlusives, emollients and ceramides. These components work together to draw moisture into the skin, lock it in and restore the skin barrier. So whether you are dealing with seasonal dryness, travel-induced dehydration or just looking for a reliable moisturizer for your dry skin, these 3 products are worth considering. Remember, everyone's skin is different, so it's essential to find what works best for you. If you have tried any of these or have other favorites, let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more skincare tips and reviews. Thank you for watching. I'll see you all in my next video. Until then, stay tuned, stay beautiful.